And on a somewhat lighter note, one other notable change within the last few decades has been the increasing fame achieved by individual members of the Churches of Christ in a variety of fields and endeavors. Now, certainly there had been well-known figures within Churches of Christ and the United Movement of the 19th century. Again, James A. Garfield, for instance, was elected to the presidency in 1880. But celebrities have become more prevalent within the movement all the same. Entertainers as widely divergent as Weird Al Yankovic and the Robertson family of Duck Dynasty fame claim membership in Churches of Christ, as have leading social and political figures like civil rights attorney Fred Gray, news anchor Lester Holt, and U.S. Senator John Cornyn of Texas. The prominence of these and many other members has brought no small amount of attention to Churches of Christ, sometimes positive, sometimes less so, but reflects the increased cultural importance of individuals within our fellowship all the same. Another way to demonstrate that movement members were more visible in the wider world is to explore the religious affiliations of elected and appointed officials in the highest levels of government. Other than James Garfield, all of the American presidents with ties to the Stone Campbell movement, Lyndon Johnson and Ronald Reagan, both hailing from the Disciples of Christ, served during the 20th century. So did the two U.S. Supreme Court Justices, Joseph Rucker Lamar and James Clark McReynolds, also from Disciples of Christ, whose beliefs were formed in movement churches. And jumping forward in time, recent decades have also seen an upsurge in politicians with connections to Churches of Christ specifically, as some recent quantitative work undertaken by political scientists reported in the Christian Chronicle has shown. Outside of governmental offices, one could point to notable figures like attorney and conservative commentator David French, whose recent work, alongside Curtis Chang and Russell Moore, with the After Party, has sought to cultivate a Christ-like attitude among Christians who wade into conversations on politics.